This time, let us proceed by median. Again, what is median? Anyone? What is the key term? Keyword? Middle position. Okay, to find the median, first we need to arrange the given data from smallest to or increasing and decreasing order. After arranging, organize the given data from smallest to largest, identify na yung middle term, and that is the median. Okay, by the way, this is the mathematical symbol for median. Capital letter X, and then parang uod sa taas. Okay, so we can read this as X tilde or X tilde. Okay, X tilde or X tilde. Okay, this symbol is for mean, and this is for median. Okay, so example number 1. So, find the median of the age of grade 8 hydrogen. Step number 1, we need to arrange the given data. The question is, naka-arrange na po ba? Yes. So, hindi na natin kailangan i-arrange kasi the given data is already organized. Okay, what we're going to do na, identify na lang natin. Okay, the easiest way is mag-cancel tayo. Okay, mag-cancel ka sa left, ganun din sa right. Cancel sa left, ganun din sa right. Then, ano yung natira sa gitna? Ilang 13? Okay, since yung natira sa gitna ay dalawang number na okay, automatic, yun na yung sagot. 13. Pero ma'am, paano kung ang yung number na dalawa ay magkaiba? Ganito yung i-apply natin. We need to add, then divide by 2. That is the median. Pero kung magkaparehas, ganun din kasi anak yung makukuha natin. 13 plus 13, 26 divided by 2. O, 13 pa rin naman ang sagot. Question. Okay, another example. Therefore, our median is 13. Example number 2. Find the median of the given data. Okay, how many data do we have? 7. What is the first number? If we're going to arrange the given. 1 followed by? Again, 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now what do you think is the median? Okay, very good. Our median is 6. Kung nag-iisa lang siya, yun na yung sagot.